So here we are with the 2021 79 series. Now, other than the cost of these, the number one thing that everyone complains about is the noise. They are a very noisy car interior. They're basically like a tractor. That is the number one way people describe them. So this customer here, he's opted for the car builder's sound deadening kit. So thankfully this kit here, it's a pre-cut kit. So I'm gonna go through inside here. I'm gonna strip this interior, absolutely gut it. All the seats, the carpet, the hood lining, everything is coming out, even all the door trims. So I'm gonna sound deaden inside the doors, the whole floor, the roof, and the back wall of this car, just to eliminate noise. Also in doing so, it's gonna drop the temperature of the car a lot. So not only does it stop the sound and do the sound deadening, it's also a heat insulation too. So it's very well done. I've personally done this to my own car and it is fantastic. What's involved after we've stripped it all out? It's a 3-stage process. So stage 1, it's these sheets here. Now, this is how they come and you just stick them on. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle. So it's obviously got that alloy layer across the top, and then it's got this really sticky black butyl rubber on the back of it. Now, obviously that there forms a fantastic bond to the car. So that's really good. It is not going to come off. There's going to get no moisture underneath it. There is no issues of rust or anything once the moisture's there. So the moisture can't physically get there. In between each panel, you put a bit of alloy special tape across to really seal that joint up, eliminating any sort of moisture getting into it. So that's stage 1. Now, stage 2 goes a bit further, and they put in what's called this acoustic liner. So it's a really nice foam cell, obviously sticky back on one side, and that goes down, and that eliminates a lot of the heat out of it. These ones here come prefabricated, so they're for a 79 series dual cab. So obviously there's a template there. I've got to finish trimming that out and then stick it down. So they did give us a template guide, even across the other side. There's quite a few more holes there. I've got to find the templates that will tell me exactly where this is going to go in the vehicle. So I have done a few of them, like my own personal one, where I couldn't get a pre-cut kit. I had to make my own. It is doable. It's just a lot more work to obviously fabricate your own. So obviously in the 79s, the dual cabs, the new ones, a lot more companies are making prefabricated components for them. So other than like mine's the old school 79, I obviously have to do a lot more custom fabrication work to make anything like this fit inside of it. With here, this is the final one. This is the stage 3. So this is a really thick rubber backing, followed by a closed foam cell across the top. So that will go through and sits inside on the top of it all, holds it all down, and gives it a nice form to actually hold the shape of the floor pan. Obviously with the heavy rubber backing, it really follows the floor pan nicely. And then the carpet will go straight back on over the top. And once we're finished, you can't even tell that we've been there. So it's a really good kit. I'll then go through and have to brake clean and clean all the metal off, just get any dirt and dust out of it, obviously, because that's going to stop it from sticking down as well. So once it's all clean, I'm hoping 2 or 3 days we should be back together, and looks like we're not been there. So I do have a few more wires to run while the carpet's all out. We are doing a few more bits and pieces on this vehicle, but the sound deadening itself, if you're doing it at home yourself, a good probably 2 days. By the time you strip it out, you've got probably a day of putting it all in and half a day of putting everything back in afterwards. So there's a fair bit of work involved with it, but it is a fantastic kit, and I think quite vital for all the 79s, just to shut up all the road noise and also stop a bit of heat getting in, because they do get a bit hot and we feel quite a bit of heat coming through that floor pan. Most of the sound deadening in this vehicle is now complete. So obviously floor stuff done. I haven't put the interior back in. I'm still running some wiring. You can see there's a mess of wires all through here. Hope you can see the sound deadening down in through there. I'm hoping you can actually hear it in the sound of this. So I'm going to come to this passenger front door. This one has not been done. So that sounds very hollow. Now just coming back to this next door. Very solid. once that sound deadening's in the car and inside these panels, it's actually taking out the resonation and the vibrations out of the metal, and then making it a very deep, dull sound. So that's actually blocking out a lot of the noise that's going to come back in through that door. So I'm going to get stuck in, put the front of this door back together, and then move on to that front one and get the front one done. Yeah, I've completed all 4 doors now, as well as the whole interior. So the whole floor pan, the back wall, and the roof of this vehicle. So I'm going to leave the sound deadening there. That's now complete. Obviously, I've still got a lot of wiring. Obviously, with the power folds, I've got to do a lot of wiring for there. So, what you've seen in the time lapses, very easy interiors to take apart. There's nothing fancy with these 79s. So it's very easy, very good to do. I love these interiors purely for that fact. So now you can see this car is all back together now. I've obviously completed it, finished the whole sound deadening kit, and installed all the seats and the car back in. So once it is finished and the carpet goes back over the top, it looks very factory. You can't actually tell we've been in there and put the sound deadening in there. The main thing that the customer will notice, the car itself is going to be a lot quieter. With noise being a vibration, that's how it's absorbed and travels. With the sound deadening kit on there, so if I come over to this other brand new 79 here, you actually notice it's actually quite tinny and rattly. So with that there, so in my own personal experience, I've actually sound deadened my car with the Car Bodybuilder's sound deadening kit. In my own experience, it was fantastic. I've just recently done the Cape York trip, and when we're doing 1,000-kilometre days at a time, it was fantastic. It cut out all the vibrations. It was actually really comfortable. We could listen to music and have a really good conversation at the same time without having to yell on top of the engine noise. So with the 79s, you do get a lot of engine noise and a lot of road noise coming through inside the cab, and it just cuts all that out. It shuts it right up, and you can have a really nice conversation and talk in there rather than yelling. If you get any questions, drop in the description, in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Nate from Lovers Adelaide. Thanks for watching.